test my first order on Temu with me. So I have been getting messages from Temu, come and buy. So I decided to test them to see how the quality of what they sell and all of that. So they allowed me order only 2 offers. Okay, place 2 orders, and in these 2 order I will be able to pay for them without having to order up to 30,000 naira. So first order I made was on September 1st, and I made it with I asked for this tripod stand and selfie stick, blah blah blah, and what not. Then the second thing I ordered for was a microphone, because planning to start this YouTube channel, and just something that will help me make the right decision and help me to just a starter package. You can see the prices there. I got this at the mic at 7,600 naira, while I got this stand at it wasn't up to 7,000 when I bought it. It was about 3,000 something. That's why the total became 10,000 naira. If you can see from here, you'll see that it was 10,815 naira for the both of them. Then after that, I saw this straw brush that I really liked, straw and bottle brush. So I really wanted something that can help to clean my baby's feeding bottle brush. So I decided to get this straw brush and these glasses. I really love these glasses, and starting my own YouTube channel where I'll be showing my face, I've always wanted to have like a signature glass. So I liked this one, and I decided to buy these 2 first of all to just test. You get to test what it looks like, and if it's real. I plan to order for more if what I order is really what I get. Because these things are really looking flashy, and the prices were really out of this world and too good to be true, let me put it that way. So right now we're going to be seeing if I made a mistake, if it was a hit, or if it was a miss. If you are still watching till this point, I know you want to see my order, you want me to reveal it. So make sure you have subscribed, you like, you share. If you've also ordered something from Temu and you're here in Nigeria, you can let me know in the comment section as well. How did it go? So before I even start to share my video of what I actually got, please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. And I also want to advise, if you're ordering anything from Temu, make sure you read the descriptions carefully. Like this brush, a lot of people keep complaining that they were too small, but if you read through the what do they call it, the specifications, you will find out that it was for straw brush, steel handle, soft bristle straw brush. So not really like for something to clean something very big. Sure, you understand? I know the pictures is like it's ranging from the straw to the bottle, but okay, maybe what I get will now make you know if it's really ranging from both the straw and the bottle. But the description here says straw brush, so make sure you learn to read everything they are writing before you order. When you see it, it looks like a very big brush that you can use to wash your bottles and your straw, but I'll show you what I finally found out when I opened my package. Thank you very much. Make sure you have subscribed. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, I had to get this tripod stand because the one I had before was giving me some kind of issues and it was even broken. So I saw this tripod stand and I like, okay, moment of truth, guys. Let's unveil what I actually got. So in this package, I got the tripod stand, and my God, it was worth every penny. It's adjustable. Maybe I don't know if I adjusted it, if I can show the adjustment in the video. I did not want to use the tripod stand for this recording, so I just stayed on my bed. I even wanted to leave the, what do they call it, the sound of this video on, because my baby was just doing in the background. So I couldn't drop her and look for a comfortable place to sit and hold my phone and all of that. So I just stayed on my bed and did it. And here you have it, the tripod stand. It was just everything I wanted and more. It was so good. It has a remote control. I don't know if I showed the remote control, but it was really good. Then apart from that, the mic also came with that as well, and I really struggled to open this thing with my one hand and my baby on the other hand. So what I'm using for this voiceover now is actually the microphone I got, and guys, this is one of the best decision I made. To think I got this. Okay, I'm going to try and look at the name. Okay, I think it's Cool Zone Wireless Lavalier microphone. Maybe I'm going to drop the link of the exact one I ordered for. And guess what, guys? I am not even shouting. I am just talking so gradually, so basic, so low, and the mic can, like, it's so good. To think I got it for just 7,000 naira. See, guys, let me tell you something. When you're using anything, yeah, it has a USB cord. It comes with an extra microphone. What do they call that thing? Like the foam or something. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to continue my advice later. Let's just finish with the unboxing. Yeah, this is the straw brush. Like I said, it's not so big. It's just there. It's just there, but I really loved it because I really wanted to use it for a straw. If you look at it, you find out that it is really small. I got mine for 1,000 something. I saw 1,700 there when I was showing you my video, but it wasn't up to 1,700. It was just 1,002 or something. In fact, I saw one that is 900 naira. But this is exactly what I wanted. You know those straw that comes with these small bottles. When you have that straw, you have to, like, you cannot be able to wash inside. You get, so that was exactly why I wanted this straw brush, and it was so good. I love it. I loved it. I tried it this morning before I came to do the voiceover, to wash my baby's straw for her bottle, the top of her flask, those inner places that your hand or your sponge cannot get to. I tried to use it to wash it, and it was just perfect. Then my signature glasses, guys. Guys, I think I prefer this first one, this color. I feel like the quality was a little bit different. The both of them came together like a pair. I got the both of them for 5,000 something. Yes, they came like a pair, but I feel like the quality was different. If I'm going to order for, it's good for screen. It's good for screen. It's going to help your eyes and all of that. If I'm going to order again, I am not going to order for a black one. I don't think I really love the quality of the black one. But that's that for that. That's everything I ordered from Temu. For me to rate everything over 100, I rate the microphone. I think I rate the microphone a solid 90 over 100. I rate the stand 90 over 100 as well. The glasses, I'm going to give the multicolor on. I'm going to give it 90 as well. Then the black one, I'm going to just rate it 60 because I did not really like it. But everything overall, I give them a solid 80 over 100. It was so worth it. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think if you have ordered from Temu. Bye.